Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with the thrift haul. You all know I haven't been thrifting in a while. I stopped going. I was wearing things that I have, and I'm still wearing things that I have had for a long time. You know, those clothes that you thrift, they really last a very long time, so you don't really have to buy as much as you used to. I like shopping. You like shopping. But I was taking a break so I could save money, and it was working. So I said, I'm going to go out and get me little things, and I got this big bag right here. So I'm going to start, ladies and gentlemen, I was so lucky to be able to find me some nice dresses. And usually I start off in the dress aisle, then I start going for the tops and all that stuff. And I said to myself, I see all these dresses here, I'm not going to even look at the tops today. I did get a sweater, I think I did. But that was in the sweater aisle. But I grabbed up them dresses, and here I am to show you all. Some of these dresses are a little bit old-fashioned, but hey, I'm about to be 52, so I can wear these things, okay? The main thing I like about them is the fit. They fit really nice. So my first dress is this one. That's the back. And it's Studio 1940. I forgot who makes that brand. I forgot. But you notice a lot of my dresses have this ruching in the middle to cover up this big stomach, y'all. You know, the baby is 30, about to be 31. I still have a big belly, okay? So I got this. This fit really cute on. I'm going to show you the only sweater that I brought. This thing caught my eye, and I said, wow, I see this in the winter with a red shell under it. And it's this. You guys know I have a lot of these kind of cardigans, or whatever you want to call it. And this is made by Croft and Vera. By the way, that dress was $9.99. Today was 50% off, so $5 dress. And this was $6.99. And let me show you this other dress. You know what, guys? Sometimes you go shopping or you do something and you think of a loved one. Today I was thinking about one of my aunts, and she died in 2004. And she wasn't my mother's sister, but she was her best friend for like over 30-something years. And she was my aunt because I knew her my whole life. So I want to show you this, and then I'm going to continue the story. I got this pretty dress, pretty colors, and this is Jones, New York Signature Woman, and it was $12.99. Again, half off. So you see what I mean about the styles I wear, kind of the same styles that fit my body. Real cute. So my aunt, she was my mother's friend over 30 years, and what happened was, I can tell the story because she was gone, she was deceased. But she was married to a very successful man, and then they divorced. And when they divorced, you know, he used to give her everything she wanted. She used to shop at the finest stores, Bloomingdale's, all those big, good stores back in the 70s, 80s. I think early 80s. Yeah, early 80s. So they divorced, and she kind of turned out to be a little destitute. She had fallen on some hard times. And I'm thinking of her today because, you know, my mother introduced me to thrifting, but I have to say she introduced me to the finer things with thrifting. She really did. So we hadn't seen her, many years ago, we hadn't seen her for a while. And then we saw her, well, my mother saw her, and she said, "Oh, your aunt looks good." And she said she's still having some hard times, but she looks really, really good. And you wouldn't be able to tell. So then she started coming around and everything. She had the finest clothes. And so she would go thrifting, and she would tell the people, you know, she was kind of bossing them around, talking about, "You're going to give me this for $1. And I'm not going to pay no more than that." That's what she would say. And they would give it to her for $1, even though they was charging the rest of us more money. So she taught me about thrifting and, you know, what fabrics look nice and what would look nice on me and stuff like that. And she had hard times for a very long time, but she stayed sharp, okay? She had all kinds of boots, real nice boots and stuff, coats, fur coats for the thrift shop. And let me show y'all this dress, and then I'll continue with the story. So this is another dress I got. Honey, this dress fits me like a glove, okay? It fits really well. This is apartment 9, and it was $9.99. And you know that's not the price, okay? You know what I like about these dresses, especially this one. This one you can wear basically all year round. You can even add a little jacket to it, or, you know, blazer, and it still looks nice. So let me continue on with my story. So she came around, she was looking good and everything. And she would go to some fabulous affairs and stuff. Girl, some fabulous parties and stuff. And she would be hobnobbing with the rich and famous, y'all, in them thrifted clothes, okay? I went to one event with her. And it wasn't no famous people there, but it was, you know, the well-to-do crowd. And she had her $1 dress, her bag, and she was working that room, y'all. She has a very famous goddaughter, very famous. So they would come around and give her boxes and boxes and boxes of new clothes. I went over her house one time, and she had all these boxes, and I said, "Wow, you sure have a lot of stuff." She said, "These are new things. I like my thrifted clothes." So she was just letting those sit by. I don't know why she was doing that. Maybe she liked what she liked. That's all I got to say. So, yeah, she had many boxes of nice new things. And she wanted to wear her thrifted clothes. She had clothes all over the place, y'all. Talking about some hoarding? Ooh, she was hoarding. She was hoarding some clothes, okay? So, I'm just wanted to tell y'all, all of y'all know who thrift. I don't even have to tell y'all, but I thought about her today, and I want to say that no matter what situation you're in, God can provide. He will give you your provisions to make it. And when he bless you, just accept it. Accept his blessings. So I'm going to show you this next dress. I never heard of a Sherry Martin. I'm going to have to look that up. But this is a nice plain dress. That's what I like about it. And it's brown. And again, it's Sherry Martin. Plain back. This is another one you can wear all year round. I love these kind of dresses. And this was $6.99. So these kind of dresses, you can easily put a nice necklace, have yourself a nice little bracelet or just a necklace, and you will be looking good in this. So my last dress, which is a new dress, the new tag came off. Let me see if I find it. Yeah, here it is. And you guys know Fashion Bug's been closed for a good while now. This dress was from Fashion Bug, and I'm going to show it to you. It's a very dressy dress. Some of you may have even purchased this one. And it is so cute. I said if I have a wedding or something, and I think I have some shoes to match it, some fabulous shoes. They kind of sparkly too. And again, oh, okay, now I'm seeing it. This is from Fashion Bug, but it's Studio 1940. That's what it says. Studio 1940. And this dress was $12.99, not the real price. And this is fabulous. You know, I have seen some special occasion dresses before, and I wasn't buying them. And if you see them, you better get them if they fit you perfectly. A lot of times people get rid of that stuff because once they wear it, they don't want to be seen in it no more. But you can get, it's nothing wrong with getting new dresses, but if you can find a lot of special occasion dresses, you're ready for every occasion, every situation. So again, that's how it looks. Very nice. And this is like a dark blue with black suede applique. I don't know what to call it. And then it has a little glitter on it. So all I would have to worry about is get my hair straightened out. I think I have a bag ready to go. I'm going to show you my last two items that I got. I got another mouse for my computer because obviously I ordered one came, no, I ordered two, one came. The other one hasn't showed up. Looked like somebody might have stolen that one. So I got this one, and it was $4.99. My last item is I was intending on getting some shoes, but I wanted some shoes for right now, but I found a pair of fall and winter shoes, and it's these right here. Aren't they cute? And these are made by Aerosoles, which is a pretty good brand. Size 9 medium, and they are so comfortable. I like when I find real good stuff like this. And these were $12.99. So you all, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed this thrift haul. And I hope you enjoyed the story I told about my aunt. I thought about her a lot today. So I will talk to you guys again I'm thinking of uploading this video today. I was thinking of doing it tomorrow, but I might do it today.